What's up guys? So Xiaomi have done it again. So brand new smart fitness watch in the house. So this is the Xiaomi Smart Band 9 Pro. Roll the intro. Inside the box you will find a user manual, a magnetic USB charger, and the Smart Band 9 Pro itself. Now price wise, you can pick this up right now from the official Xiaomi website for £62, which is an absolute bargain price for what you're getting. Now if we talk design, this watch is made from aluminium alloy frame and you have a fiber polymer back. So basically plastic back, metal frame, and tiny 2.2mm bezels. Now there are no buttons at all, so you have complete touch navigation and the touchscreen is super responsive. The watch dimensions are 43.2mm by 32.4mm, 10.8mm in thickness, and it weighs 39.6 grams with the straps on. And if we remove the straps, it weighs 24 grams. Now a couple of new features this watch brings. We've got an upgraded EFE chip for more accurate measurements of the heart rate and SpO2, which we're going to go into a bit more detail later in the video. And we have a new linear motor built in for crisper vibration alerts. And this is how the watch looks on my wrist. Now let me first of all say, this is a very premium looking smart fitness watch. It doesn't just look premium, it feels premium as well. Now in case you're wondering, I have a wrist circumference of 7 inches. And I'm actually liking the size and how this feels on my wrist. Really nice, premium, comfortable looking smart fitness watch. Now if we talk display, you're looking at a 1.74 inch AMOLED display with a screen resolution of 336 by 480 and a generous 1200 nits of peak brightness. Now we do have 2.5D glass protection on top. This watch does feature 5 ATM water resistance and you can track your swimming sessions whilst you're wearing this watch. And if I go into workouts, there are over 150 plus workouts built in. But what I want to specifically show you is pool swimming workouts and other water sport activities. As you can see, 5 ATM water resistant, you can submerge this in water and it will track all your swimming sessions, your calories, your distance, and so on and so forth. Now the OS is Xiaomi's HyperOS, the smart fitness watch version. Very user-friendly OS, easy to use, super responsive touchscreen. It gives you all the apps that you need to track your everyday health. You can't actually download any more apps. There is no app store, so what you see is what you get. Now there is no Wi-Fi built in, so all communication is done through Bluetooth with your phone, and thankfully this supports Bluetooth 5.4, so you can expect a strong and consistent connection with your phone. And this does support both Android and iOS, and I've been using this with my iPhone 14 Pro with full compatibility. Now this watch also has a 5 satellite GPS built in, which is again very useful. Now if someone calls you on the watch, you do get alerts for your phone calls, but you can't actually take the phone call on the watch. So this watch does not support Bluetooth phone calls. There is no built-in microphone or loudspeaker. Now let's quickly talk about the health features. You have 24/7 continuous heart rate monitoring on by default. Sleep monitoring is also on by default, but advanced monitoring and breathing rate is something that I switched on myself. Blood oxygen monitoring was actually off by default and I switched it on myself. So all day tracking I had to switch on. Stress monitoring was off by default. I switched that on myself. Standing alerts I don't need, so I've kept that off and it's off by default. Vitality score again was off by default and I actually switched it on myself. So basically I've switched on all day health tracking for every sensor, for every feature possible. That is how I like to use my smart fitness watch. Now sleep monitoring is very accurate as expected from a Xiaomi smart fitness watch. It does support multiple sleep stages, so if you wake up at night and then you go back to sleep, it will record that exactly as it is. It will record when you went back to sleep and when you woke up, and you can do that multiple times throughout the night and it will record it. So it supports multiple sleep stages and it's accurate. Now battery, this has a 350 milliamp hour battery built in. It will give you 21 days of typical light usage, 8 days heavy usage, If you were to leave that always on display on, then you can expect up to 10 days of battery life. Now the charger is pretty fast. It takes 75 minutes to fully charge the battery from 0 to 100%. Alright, now all your health activities can be viewed from within the smartphone app called the Mi Fitness app. You have your health page at a glance showing you all your health metrics, and as soon as you open the app, it automatically pairs and syncs all the data from your watch to your phone, and you can view detailed reports of any of these metrics by simply tapping on them, and it will give you a daily, weekly or monthly view of your stats. If you tap on device, it will give you information on the smartwatch itself. It will show you visually your current watch face, which I think is a neat feature. And over here you have your watch faces, and you can basically download from a massive library of watch faces completely free. And over here you can see all the watch faces that are currently stored on the watch. Now downloading a new watch face is actually surprisingly quick. So for example, say we like this one, we hit apply, it's downloading, and there's no prompt on the screen. So you can carry on using your watch if you wanted, and there you go, done straight away. So really quick to download watch faces. So usually you have a limit, so you can download 3 or 4 and the storage gets full. So here is your default, you get 3, 6, 9. Up to here, they're your default watch faces. Now these are the ones I've downloaded. So you got 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 20, and I already had 9 to play with. That's 29 watch faces. And now if I try and download a watch face, it tells me can't add more displays. So you can have 20 watch faces downloaded at any one given time. That is brilliant. Now some of you might be thinking, how is that good, 20 watch faces, when your Wear OS watch can do 100 watch faces? Well, this is after all a smart fitness watch, and usually there are limits to the storage space you have in these smart fitness watches, and it's always been one of my #1 cons. But as I just shown you guys, this one does not have that limitation, and the watch faces do look really good quality. The average is around 2 megabytes in size. Now other options you have here, notifications and calls, so you can basically switch on and off app notifications that you want to receive on the watch. You've got your fitness and health, which I showed you earlier. You've got an app sections with various options. You've got system settings, a whole bunch of options in there. The widgets can be moved around. The actual apps on the watch can also be moved around. So from here you can see you can play around with your widgets. You can rearrange the order. You can also sort all the internal apps in the order of your choice, and a few more options there in the system. We've got security options, so you can set a pin on your watch. I don't see a point of doing that because apart from your personal information, your emails and stuff, there is no NFC, so you can't make NFC payments. So yeah, but the choice is there if you need it. Additional settings, you've got firmware updates, help center, and about device. So that's the smartphone app. There is also a profile section where you can set goals. Now under third-party app data, you can see Apple Health is supported, and you have some others as well. So a very good, easy to use smartphone app, and it works on both Android and iOS. This smartwatch has a number of watch faces like I showed you. I showed you how you can download them, but let me show you how you can change your watch face directly from the watch. So you keep the center press, you will feel a slight haptic feedback, and then you just swipe left or right to change your watch face. And we now have 29 watch faces because I've been busy downloading them. So there are plenty of watch faces that you can store and download on this watch. So let me give you some examples of some of my favorite watch faces on this watch. Alright, so now it's time to check out the watch features. If we swipe towards the right, you will see your quick toggles for some common settings like alarms, do not disturb, torch, brightness, and so on and so forth. If we swipe towards the left, you have your tiles, your health tiles. And over here you can see weather and shortcut to outdoor running. Then you have heart rate, SpO2, and sleep. And over here we've got alarm, timer, and music player. Keep going, you've got your health score. And then you have your quick toggles again, and then back to the watch face. If you swipe down from the top, you have your notifications. So all notifications that are pushed to your watch will be found here, and they are going to be read-only notifications, so you're not going to be able to reply to any notifications. They are read-only. If you swipe up from the bottom, you've got all your apps. And let me quickly go through them with you. You've got your health stats, workout history, running, training state, heart rate, vitality score, SpO2, sleep, stress, weather, calendar, alarms. You've got your settings, tasks, breathing exercises, stopwatch, music player, find phone, world clock, camera, timer, compass, flashlight, and focus. Now the music player I want to show you in action. So whilst you're playing music on your phone, this is a music remote control. You can play, pause, you can see the track name, and you can even play around with the volume. So handy remote control on your wrist for your music. Okay, another thing I want to show you is the camera. So you've got a remote camera. Now all you do is tap to take a photo. You can even set a timer, so 3-second timer. 1, 2, 3, boom. This even works for videos, so hit record. In 3 seconds, video recording will start. There you go. And to stop it, you can press the button again. And again, the timer's on, so it will stop it in 3 seconds. There you go, video recording stopped. A handy camera app. On Android, when you press the camera app, it will automatically open your camera. On iPhone, you have to manually open the camera. That's the difference. But otherwise, functionality is there. Now, the new feature with this smartwatch is a compass. So you can see we have a compass with this smart fitness watch. There is no app store, so you can't download any additional apps. Okay, so time for one of my favorite tests, the health sensor accuracy test. So this is my Braun Oximeter, which I'm going to be wearing on my finger. And it's a medical grade sensor, which can give me an accurate and immediate heart rate and SpO2 reading. So you can see my SpO2 is currently 97 and the heart rate is 92 beats in counting. So that will keep changing in real time. So let's start off with a heart rate test. So it's measuring. The current beats per minute is 94 beats per minute. I'll try and take some nice deep breaths. Just trying to bring that heart rate down with some nice deep breaths. You can see 74 beats per minute versus 72, 74 versus 73, 75 neck and neck. Is going up now as I'm starting to talk again. 85 versus 82, 87, 84. So my oximeter is of course much faster to see those little changes in real time. I think the watch is doing good to keep up with it because you can see 88 versus 90, 90 versus 91. It's probably a split second or two slower than the oximeter. So very good optical heart rate sensor included in this Xiaomi Smart Fitness watch. Now let's test the blood oxygen. So we've got a reading of 95 automatically anyway, but I'm going to start it again. Keep the band still and facing upwards. You can see on the Braun, we've got 97% SpO2. Now let's see what the watch gives us. 97% SpO2 and we are neck and neck. Exactly the same results there. So very accurate blood oxygen and heart rate monitoring with this smartwatch. Very impressed with it. So there you have it guys, that was the Xiaomi Smart Band 9 Pro. So impressive features packed into a premium body which not only looks good but at the same time very comfortable to wear. I really like this watch. For £62 this is an absolute bang for your buck product, and Xiaomi is really good at offering great value and quality tech products. Now the highlights for me, the large AMOLED display, the metal build quality, the comfortable straps, the accurate health tracking, great sleep tracking features, built-in GPS, fast charging, 5 ATM water resistance, and a great battery life. And not to mention a large library of downloadable watch faces and the ability to store many watch faces at the same time. So bottom line, if you're looking for a fitness tracker, this is definitely one of the best I've tested this year. Now, if you want to see more of my latest and greatest unbiased tech reviews, hit the like button, sub to the channel, and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next one.